Do you feel like things are getting more expensive? Consumer prices were up 0.2% for January. Major factors in this increase in the Consumer Price Index include a 1% rise in the price of clothing, as well as rising rents and healthcare costs. Core inflation also rose 0.2% in January. The annualized inflation rate hit 2.3% last month, yet the Federal Reserve expects but a 1.6% gain in inflation across all of 2012.
The Census Bureau reported a healthy 0.4% rise in the U.S. retail prices for January. However, economists polled by Dow Jones Newswires thought they would rise about 1% for the month. Subtract a 1.1% decline in auto sales from the data, and retail sales were up about 0.7% for January.
Leading indicators hit a 3.5-year peak. The Conference Board's leading indicator index rose almost 0.5% in January, with 7 of the 10 indicators improving. The most notable positive that was detected, which was a widening in the spread between short-term and long-term interest rates. The index advanced for a 4th consecutive month. Does this mean that the NASDAQ is going to push beyond 3,000 and the Dow beyond 13,000?
Both indices approached those psychological landmarks on Friday. The Dow went about 1.16 for the week, the NASDAQ positive about the same, and the S&P 500 about 1.4%. At week's end, the Dow was at 12,950, the NASDAQ 2952, and the S&P at 1361. Oil futures soared about 4.5% last week on the NYMEX to settle at $103 a barrel Friday. Gold had a flat week, however, settling at $1724.50 Friday on the COMEX, following a 0.07% 5-day advance.
Here's what we're looking at this week. Yesterday, U.S. financial markets were closed for President's Day. Big news came out of Europe as Eurozone finance ministers finally green-lighted a new bailout package for Greece.
Today, earnings reports roll in from Barnes & Noble, Macy's, Dell, Saks, Walmart, Kraft Food, Home Depot, and Radio Shack.
Then tomorrow, the National Association of Realtors puts out data on January existing home sales, and quarterly results come in from Toll Brothers, MGM, TJX, Dollar Tree, Fluor, Conseco, Hertz, and HP.
On Thursday, brings earnings results from Targets, Kohl's, Hormel, OfficeMax, Safeway, Sears, Public Storage, Gap, and AIG.
And wrapping up the week on Friday, the final University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey for February appears. The Census Bureau publishes January new home sales figures, and JCPenney, Scripps, and Berkshire Hathaway issued their 4th quarter results.
That's what we have going on this week. I'm Greg Petrie.
And I'm Eric Hagan. We'll keep our finger on the pulse of the economy and report back to you next Monday.
So please be sure to subscribe, and we'll talk with you then.